A Carpenter's Journey, From Village Dreams to Community Impact. Liam lived in a small village, where he worked as a carpenter crafting furniture for the villagers. He loved his job, but often dreamed of traveling and exploring new places. One day, he received a letter from his cousin, Emma, who lived in a bustling city. The letter read, "Dear Liam, please come visit me. I have something important to show you." Intrigued, Liam decided to make the trip. He packed a small bag with clothes and tools and boarded a bus to the city. The journey was long, and Liam watched as the scenery shifted from green fields to towering buildings. When he arrived, Emma was waiting for him at the station. "Liam, it's so good to see you," she exclaimed, hugging him. "I've missed you." "I've missed you too, Emma," Liam replied. "What's this important thing you want to show me?" "Come with me," Emma said. They walked through the busy streets until they reached a large building with a sign that read Community Center. Emma explained, "I work here. We help people learn new skills and find jobs." Inside, Liam saw people of all ages learning and working together. Emma introduced him to Mr. Carter, the director. "Mr. Carter, this is my cousin Liam. He's a skilled carpenter." "Nice to meet you, Liam," Mr. Carter said. "We need someone like you. Can you help us build furniture for the center?" Liam was surprised but agreed without hesitation. Over the next few days, he worked with the people at the center, teaching them how to make tables and chairs. He enjoyed helping others and felt proud of his contributions. One evening, Emma invited Liam to dinner. They reminisced about their childhood and shared their dreams. Liam confessed, "I've always wanted to travel and see the world, but I never had the chance." Emma smiled. "Liam, you're helping so many people here. You're making a real difference." Her words stayed with him. The next day, Mr. Carter approached Liam with a special project. "We're building a playground for the children in the neighborhood. Will you help us?" Liam eagerly agreed. He worked tirelessly with the team, designing and building swings, slides, and climbing frames. The children watched with excitement, eagerly awaiting the playground's completion. Finally, the day of the opening ceremony arrived. The entire neighborhood gathered to celebrate. Emma gave a heartfelt speech. "Thank you, Liam, for your hard work and dedication. You've made this possible." Liam felt a deep sense of pride as he watched the children play. After the ceremony, a young boy named Noah approached him. "Thank you, Mr. Liam," he said. "This is the best playground ever." Liam smiled. "I'm glad you like it, Noah. Enjoy it." As the weeks passed, Liam continued to help at the center. He taught carpentry classes, built more furniture, and made many new friends. He felt like he was part of a big family. One day, Mr. Carter called a meeting. "We have an exciting opportunity," he announced. "A community center in another city needs our help. They want us to visit and share our skills." Liam was thrilled. He had always wanted to travel, and now he had the chance. "I'd love to go," he said. The team prepared for the trip, packing tools and supplies before setting off by bus. The journey was long, but Liam enjoyed the new scenery. When they arrived, they were warmly welcomed by the people at the new center. Liam and his team spent weeks working with the community. They built furniture, taught classes, and helped set up a new playground. Liam felt happy and fulfilled, realizing he was living his dream of traveling and helping others. One evening, after a long day of work, Liam and his new friends sat around a campfire, sharing stories and laughter. A young woman named Sophia said, "Liam, you've inspired us. You taught us more than just carpentry, you taught us to care for our community." Liam was touched. "Thank you, Sophia. I've learned a lot from all of you too." As the trip came to an end, Liam felt sad to leave his new friends, but grateful for the experiences he had. The team returned home, and Liam resumed his work at the original center. He continued to travel to different places, helping communities and sharing his skills. Years passed, and Liam became known as a master carpenter and community builder. He wrote a book about his experiences, inspiring many people to help others. His life was filled with adventures, friendships, and meaningful work. One day, Liam received a letter from Noah, the boy who had thanked him at the playground opening. The letter read, "Dear Mr. Liam, I'm now a carpenter too. I wanted to thank you for inspiring me. I'm helping build a new community center in our town. I hope to make you proud." Liam smiled as he read the letter, feeling proud of the impact he had made. He continued to travel and help people, knowing his work was making a difference. Liam lived a fulfilling life, always learning, teaching, and helping others. His story inspired many to follow their dreams and make the world a better place. Through his journey of service and adventure, he had found his purpose and happiness. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.